Hi everyone, let's start exercise 13.3 right circular cone. Question number 1 and introduction part I have already done, and question number 2, 3, 4 for you. And now question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? So tarpaulin 3 meter wide is given and conical tent of height 8 meter is given and base of radius 6 meter. Good. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margin and wastage in cutting its approximately 20 centimeter. Good question. तो एक आगे पास कॉनिकल टेंट है, तो उसके ऊपर जो टारपुलिन से कवर अप किया गया है, टारपुलिन मीन्स जस्ट लाइक तिरपाल, ओके। तो उससे जो कवर अप किया गया है और उसको सिलने के लिए जो साइड में बॉर्डर में थोड़ी बहुत स्टिचिंग या उसकी मार्जिन स्पेस को मोड़ा जाता है, तो वो उनका वेस्टेज पार्ट में चला गया जो अप्रॉक्स 20 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ में चला गया। तो ये हमारी जो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ टारपुलिन होगी उसका 20 सेंटीमीटर ये वेस्टेज हो गया। तो हम लोग इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, रिमेनिंग पार्ट हमारे लिए प्रॉपर एंड सॉलिड लेंथ ऑफ टारपुलिन होगी। बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल height and radius is given, so first of all find the curved surface area of conical tent, okay. Question number 5, solution. The given value is in the question, height of the conical tent is 8 meter and radius of the conical tent r is equal to radius 6 meter, okay. So first of all find the curved surface area. We know that curved surface area of cone pi r l. L is slant height, so slant is missing, slant height is missing. So again slant height small l is equal to under root h square plus r square, then height is 8 square and radius 6 square. 8 square is 64 plus 36, then under root 100 means 10 meter. Slant height is given, okay, and two condition is also given. And now find the curved surface area of shape of conical tent, ठीक. So CSA of conical tent is equal to pi r, and here pi is 3.14 given, 3.14 into radius of the cone is 6 and L is 10 is equal to 6 4 the 24, 4 carry 2, 6 1 the 6 2 8 and 6 3 the 18, 1 2 1 2. So this is the decimal and multiply by 10 again, then 1 8 8 4 0. Here 2 digit before decimal, so answer is 188.40 meter square, okay. Save your answer, answer is correct. And now according to question क्या कह रहा है कि इसमें आपके पास जो टारपुलिन की लेंथ है इसमें 20 सेंटीमीटर वेस्टेज पार्ट चला गया, ओके. तो हियर let length of tarpaulin required be L. Okay, required be L meter, no problem. So according to question 20 centimeter 20 centimeter wastage है ना, 20 centimeter wastage, therefore effective length of tarpaulin will be total length is L, wastage part is 20 centimeter, but all the condition is given meter, so 20 centimeter is converted to meter, that is L minus 0.20 meter. Okay children, understood? And now what length of tarpaulin? 3 meter wide. Okay, breadth of tarpaulin is given. Breadth of tarpaulin is 3 meter na wide. Okay, breadth of tarpaulin 3 meter wide, then that is area of sheet like tarpaulin is equal to CSA of conical tan, CSA of cone and CSA of tan, both are equal, यही होगा. But area of sheet like we know that length into breadth, and CSA of cone is again pi r L. But here length of tarpaulin and length of sheet is L minus 0.20 and breadth is in meter 3 and pi r L is curved surface area of conical tan, pi r L 188.40. Simplify like L minus 0.20 is equal to 188.40 divided by 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 2 is 6, carry 2 24, 3 8 is 24, 0 62.80. L minus 0.20 is equal to 62.80 meter. Then length of tarpaulin is 62.80 transfer 0.20, then this is 63 meter. Therefore length of tarpaulin is 63 meter and required 63 meter. क्वेश्चन में ये फाइंड करने को बोल रहा था आपको. So this is the main answer of question number 5. Okay children, understood? So in this question, therefore length of the required tarpaulin sheet will be 63 meter. And after this, question number 6 and 7 attempt yourself. Okay, So 6, 7 question for you. And now last question, question number 8. I am going to solve in front of you. This is the last question of this exercise. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road, okay, by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. 50. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter, like radius is given, and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square. Good. What will be the cost of painting all those cones? Here number of cones is 50 and height and radius is also given. So find the curved surface area of each cone, find the curved surface area of one cone first of all. After that 50 cones, and after that calculate your amount. Good. ओके, तो यहाँ पर एक बस स्टॉप है. बस स्टॉप की बैरिकेडिंग पर्पज से स्ट्रीट या रोड पे देखते होंगे आप कि पुलिस की तरफ से कोई ऐसी बैरिकेडिंग की जाती है किसी बम्बू के थ्रू या फिर कोन्स के थ्रू, या कोई एक स्टॉपर लोहे का बैरिकेडर लग जाता है. तो ये वही चीज़ है. तो एक बैरिकेडिंग पर्पज से आप सब फर्स्ट वन कर्व सर्फ एरिया निकालेंगे एक कोन का, देन 50 का निकालेंगे, और फिर इसकी पेंटिंग की कॉस्ट दी हुई है 12 रुपीज़. ओके, फिर टोटल हम लोग अपने कर्व सर्फेस एरिया का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमको अमाउंट फाइंड हो जाएगा. वेट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The given condition is bus stop. Okay, the condition is first of all radius of the cone. Here diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. So diameter to r is equal to 40, then r is equal to 40 upon 2, like 20 centimeter, and 20 centimeter converted to meter, 0.20 meter. Radius saved. And height of the cone is 1 meter. Small h is equal to 1 meter. And now find the curved surface area of one cone. First of all, curved surface area of one cone. So here in the curved surface area formula is pi r L, but here slant height is not available. So first of all find the slant height of the cone. Slant height for slant height L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Then height is height 1. Okay, in the under root h square like 1 square plus radius 0.2 whole square, then 1 square is 1 plus 0.2 square is 0.04. okay, under root means 1.04 under root 1.04 given है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है. अंडर रूट 1.04 is equal to 1.02. दिस इज राइट. ओके, 1.02 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आपको मिल जाएगा. एक ये कंडीशन भी सेम हो गई, 1.022 मीटर. दिस इज द स्लैंट हाइट. एंड नाउ CSA of each oblique one cone, like pi RL, and here value of pi is 3.14, and radius 0.2, and slant height 1.02. Okay children, then 314 multiplied by 102, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0, and 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Total 8, 2, 6 4 10 0, 2 3. Here count decimal position 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is 3.2028, 3.2028 multiplied by 0.2. Okay, again 2 8 is 16, 6 carry 1, 2 2 is 4, 1 5, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 0.64056 meter square. This is the curved surface area of one cone. Okay, and now number of cones in this question, I think 50 है ना, I think 50. So CSA of 50 such cones is equal to 50 multiplied by 0.64056. Okay, save your answer in meter square. And now according to the question, cost of painting is given. Okay, cost of painting 1 meter square area is rupees 12. Understood? Cost of painting 1 meter square area is equal to 12 rupees. Then cost of painting this value meter square such area. Okay student, first of all calculate this value, and now putting this value like, because total curved surface area value multiplied by 12 rupees, because 1 meter square cost is 12 rupees. तो टोटल कॉस्ट आप निकाल लेंगे. मीटर स्क्वायर सच एरिया इज दिस पोर्शन मीटर स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय रुपीज 12. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज योर आंसर. Make your calculation at your home. Therefore finally it according to question, therefore the cost of painting, okay, it will be the cost of painting 50 such hollow cones. तो 50 hollow cone दिया था, तो आपका आंसर फाइनली बन जाएगा. therefore it will be this amount for required such 50 hollow cones. Understood children? Okay, so this exercise finish from my side. 13.3. in the next video, in the next class 13.4 will be started. Thank you so much.